We've had the doctors have engagements more than 10 times with the ministry and all the employers. Today, we are calling upon the government, that is the Ministry of Health and the Chief of Governors, because we cannot have a strike on 42 days and nobody has called us to the table.
It is time for the Ministry of Health to start reorganizing medical laboratory services. You cannot reorganize, re-engineer medical laboratory services while we have quacks at the Division of National Laboratory.